Dictation start in 5 seconds. Start. It has been observed by government that government employees proceeding on earned leave often do not mention their leave address in the application. Stop. Some of them do mention their leave address but proceed to a station different from that mentioned in the leave address, as a consequence of which, in the event of an emergency, the employees cannot be contracted at short notice. Stop. This causes unnecessary inconvenience to government. Stop. Next para. I am therefore to request that it may be brought to the notice of all state government employees working under you that a government employee before proceeding on leave has invariably to give his complete address where he can be contracted according to need. If during leave he is compelled by any circumstance to change his address, he should immediately inform the leave sanctioning authority of the change. Stop. Negligence in this regard should be taken serious note of. Stop. Next para. It is also clarified that the employer shall allow casual leave to the apprentice for a maximum period of 12 days in a year. Stop. Any holidays intervening during the period of casual leave shall not be counted for the purpose of the limit of 12 days. Stop. Casual leave not used during any year shall stand lapsed at the end of the year. Stop. Medical leave up to 15 days for which each year of training shall be granted to the apprentice who is unable to attend duty owing to illness. Stop. The unused leave will be allowed to accumulate up to a maximum of 40 days. Stop. Next para. Any holidays intervening during the period of medical leave shall be treated as medical leave. Stop. The employer may call upon the apprentice to produce a medical certificate from a registered medical practitioner as defined in the apprenticeship rules 1962 in spot of his medical leave. Stop. A medical certificate shall, however, be necessary if the leave exceeds 6 days. Stop. It shall be open to the employer to arrange a special medical examination of the apprentice if he has reason to believe that the apprentice is not really ill or the illness is not of such a nature as to prevent his attendance. Stop. Casual leave shall not be combined with medical leave if casual leave is preceded or followed by medical leave. The entire leave taken shall be treated as medical or casual leave as the case may be. Stop.